Today, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my birthday gifts that I got. My birthday was October 23rd, 2022, and I want to share with you some of the gifts that I got for my birthday. So if you're interested in seeing that, please do stick around. Welcome, everybody. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner. So let's jump into today's video. I'm going to share with you some of my birthday gifts. So first off, I want to share with you this beautiful card that my daughter made. And she went into my craft room and she created this card, and I just love it so much. She just grabbed scraps that I had cut out, die cuts that I had left over, and then she just put a card together, and I love it. So let me share that with you. So this is a card here. So she gave like autumn colors or fall colors for the month of October. It's just perfect. So this bottom part of the lady with the dress, all these was just extra pieces that I had that she put together. She colored this in herself. This was a ribbon that was sitting around that she put on. These oval cutout was there. She went ahead and stamped the happy, and she used like the 7-Up have a color called cinnamon cider that looks like pretty much what she used, colored in some pumpkins that I had some die cutouts there. And also in this card, I was like, where did you get this sentiment from? And it says, to my always, from your forever, you share so much, so gladly, so often. I'm blessed to have you in my life. My husband also signed it too as well. But it's like, I don't remember even having this stamp set. Where you get that stamp set from? And I just love it, you know. I really do love it. And she stamped the happy birthday here on the envelope. So these gifts were from my husband and my daughter and my son and his wife. Okay, so I wanted to get like a different mic. And the mic that I use right now, you could hear so much noise in the background, like if a dog is barking, even if a helicopter is flying. The lapel mic that I use, you could hear so much noise. My family is like, oh, they have to be like hush hush every time I'm trying to record. So I wanted to get a dynamic mic, and this is a Shure SM57, and they say with the dynamic mic, you just hear the sound that's coming directly to the mic, so you don't get all those other surrounding sounds. So we'll see. I'll test this out and see if it works. So my son and his wife got me this. So I'm excited and I can't wait to use it. But let me just open it up and show you how it looks. All right, so this is how the mic looks. All right. I'm no expert on these devices, but I'm going to try it out and see how it works. You know, if you could hear the noise of my dog barking or what. So we'll see how that is. So I got that. And I got some other equipment to go with that. So this is a popper stopper. I guess when you say like your peas and stuff like that, you don't hit this, the crease that is windscreen. So that goes over the mic. And then I got a... So I got this mic preamplifier, Euphoria UM2. I guess this helps with getting a good sound system with your mic. So I got that. My son and his wife got that, and this is a cord that goes with this. So this plugs, one end plugs into the amplifier, and then the other end plugs into your mic. So we'll see how that works. Okay. Then also what I got is this, it was recommended to get a USB 3 power cord, so which is nice. So you're going to hook up all this techno stuff here to your, I'm going to be using my iPad or my iPhone, and then it would keep it charged. And plus, if I use the amplifier, it'll keep all those things charged up. So when I'm recording, it does not lose battery life. So my son and his wife got me that too as well. And we can't go without crafty stuff. Cool thing about this is what I made out my birthday wish list and what I wanted for my birthday. So if you guys, you're on a budget and you want to get some crafty stuff, just put it on your birthday list, put it on your Christmas list, put it on your Mother's Day list, put it on whichever list where you get gifts, so that's going to minimize your spending. You may not get it in a time frame that you would like, but it would be less spending in your budget. So I wanted some Lawn Fawn dies. They had these cute little mini gingers here. So I wanted to get those, and they're so tiny. And I saw some creators using this stamp set, and I thought that was so cute. So they're so small. These little things here you could use on your gift tags. You could use it on all sorts of projects, but they'll be so nice to use on gift tags. So they also had the matching, the coordinating dies to go with it. So I got those. So my husband and my daughter collectively got those for me. Then I also saw this stamp set right here. This is from Lawn Fawn again. And this is called, what is this one called? It's called Sewn with Love. Okay. So I just like how they had the sewing machine. They have this little jar with buttons here on there. It says buttons. They have the scissors. They have little faces too. They have a spool. You have buttons here. You have all sorts of stuff. The pin cushion. And you have some sentiments here that goes with it. So I thought this was a cute set. Let me see if the names is on these Lawn Fawn ones here with the gingerbread. It says Tiny Gingerbread on that. And I don't see a name on it. It just says coordinates with Tiny Gingerbread stamp set. So I really can't wait to use those up. We're in November already. Time is going by so quickly. You guys started to work on your Christmas cards and gift tags already? Let me know down in the comments below. Also, I saw people using like eyelets on their tags and what have you. And I said, oh, I would love to start using those. So I saw this crocodile too. It was on sale on Amazon and I put it down on my list. And it creates a hole punch and as well as it sets the eyelets. So it comes with the crocodile punch as well as the different little eyelets in here. I haven't opened it yet to play with it, but it looks like it has like 4 different colors, white, black, like a bronze and silver here. And then it says here that it could cut a chipboard, fabric, thin, and plastic. So you punch your hole, then you put your, insert your eyelet there, and then you set it. And it's in pink, and I like pink too as well. So it comes with the pink crocodile. It comes with the case and 100 eyelets. I got this from my husband and my daughter. Then last but not least, and if you guys are new to my channel, you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload my latest videos. So, and then this, guys, oh, I have a couple of individual Copic markers, but I just wanted to get like a whole set, you know, so I could do the blending and everything. And then I saw this was on sale, guys. This was on sale on Amazon, Amazon, I think. I don't know if I'm mistakenly if these are actually made in Japan, but I know in Japan they are much cheaper than here in America. And I put this on my list, guys. And I got this Copic markers. There are 36 in here. This is a sketch marker. and it's 36 within this pack. And look at the colors that this came in. Let me see if I could get this glare from off of the glass. Look at those colors. Oh my gosh, I just can't wait to open this and start using it. And I really do love the Copic markers. You could change the tip, you could refill it, and I'm happy with the colors that this has in it. So thank you guys for tuning in. That's my birthday gifts that I got for October 23rd was my birthday. Any other October babies out there? Let me know down in the comment below. Mine is October 23rd. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you on my next video.